Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Another wonderful weekend, and we're at Bug-a-Palüza, and there's just bugs and buses and cars for sale, not for sale, classics, people's dream cars, restored, unrestored survivors. It's everything everywhere. Let's check out these two amazing cars. Is this your car? Volkswagen thing. Wow, so cool. Buses rolling around everywhere, non-stop. I like the little guy hanging out. He's awesome. So nice, I love your cars. This place is going to the dogs, I swear. These beautiful cars, oh my gosh. Look at this. How you doing? Is this your car? Beautiful. What was your name?
Ray Christopher.
Ray, I'm VW, nice to meet you.
Good to meet you.
So how did you get this car, Ray? What's the story behind it?
I bought the car from a guy that had it. I'm actually the third owner.
Third owner, okay.
And, he bought it and had it stored, and a tornado blew his barn away. And I ended up getting it from him, and I redone. I kept it about 6 years and decided to redo it.
Wow, it's really beautiful.
It's had 50-something thousand miles on it when I bought it.
Oh my gosh.
It was bought new in Gadsden, Alabama. I got
Okay.
all the paperwork with it. All the running gear is totally original, except for, everything was freshened up. It wasn't rebuilt.
Does the puppy come with the car?
Yeah, puppy comes with the car.
Oh, so
got
cute.
60
You just love it. Come to all the Volkswagen shows all day, sit around.
It's 64,000 original miles on it now.
Okay. Wow.
But I redone it from the ground up. Every nut, bolt, washer, tuck it down to bare
Look
metal.
at that. Can I open the door?
Yeah.
Thank you.
It's her car.
Wow.
I built it for her.
It's a beautiful car. Oh my gosh. People don't appreciate the bamboo rack enough, right? The tray. It's so cool. It's a definite accessory need. Just for like your phone and whatever, right? You need to put something somewhere.
It was totally a rust-free car too.
Oh yeah?
No,
I love the liner you guys did. Really cool. Was that hard to do?
it wasn't too bad. It was a little aggravating.
You seem like a can-do guy. Like it doesn't phase you. Like, whatever. I'll just restore this car. I'll put in the liner.
If somebody
it's easy.
else can do it, I can do it.
Yeah, you did a great job. Really great. Wow. Beautiful, beautiful. Do you go to a lot of these shows?
This is our 5th trip up here in this one.
5th trip. Wow, even down to the running boards and the seam. This is gorgeous.
I
at
finished
that.
it 5 years ago. We've been driving it up here for the last 5 years now.
New Herbie.
See?
Award-winning car. Sunbug. Georgia. Yeah, with all the different bugs and seagull doors and whatever, and rails, sand rails. Awesome. Love your car, man. It is so cool. Is this your bus? Yeah. Beautiful, beautiful bus. Wow. So what year is the bus?
74.
Oh, I'm VW, by the way.
I'm Dan.
Dan, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
74, and when you got it, was it like this?
Yes,
Oh, this is, so you just the proud owner of someone else's amazing restoration job.
absolutely.
Dan, you have a very good eye. You know what to buy, Dan. Wow, I've always loved the 21 window bus and the Ragtop on top and whatever.
It's actually 23.
This is 23.
Yeah.
More windows, more fun. Come on.
Yeah.
Look at this. So you go to bug shows and all kinds of things?
Just this our first one.
Okay. Wow. Awesome, awesome, awesome.
Yeah.
Let's check out the back. So you looking for buses for a long time before you bought this one? Or
No,
how?
actually my wife fell in love with it.
Yeah.
So we decided to buy it.
Yeah, smart. And the wife said okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, she's a keeper too.
Well, It's her toy.
with the curved glass in the back, it's a highly sought after
Yeah.
thing. And the ladder, because
Yeah.
how else are you gonna get up on the rack?
That's right.
What you think you'll buy another one, or are you one and done?
Oh, I don't know. We may buy a Bug or something in the future, but
There are some Bugs here for sale, Dan.
oh, I know.
And since you're buying buses that obviously are like mint, beautifully done, you're looking at some other Bugs, some patina cars, maybe.
I don't know.
Maybe.
Oh,
Maybe.
if I see one we like, we might buy it. You never know.
It's gonna come by your car. Careful. This car is awesome. How does she drive? Handles well.
For a bus, yeah.
Yeah, you're kind of bouncy like this,
Yeah,
right?
and you got a lot of play in the wheel.
Foot's covering over the gas, and sometimes it's jerking next to you driving like that, right?
Yeah.
It's not a coffee cup holder kind of car, right? Because
Absolutely not.
yeah, no. I love this little seat you got here.
Yeah.
That's cool. So all this was done. You didn't have to do any of this.
Right.
Man, plug and play. I kind of,
It's a Brazilian bus.
okay.
A gentleman out of South Florida did it, and did excellent work.
Yeah, I can't really tell by looking at it the difference between a Brazilian and original. Obviously, I understand the concept.
I don't know what the difference is.
Yeah, but I just know
Well,
what I like.
I do know this, that the Brazilians, this is a 74, and in the 70s, U.S. models started looking like those flat fronts up there.
I see. For me, the thing that gets you, besides the windows on top, are the Safari pop-outs in the front,
Yes.
right?
Yeah.
Once you can pop the windshield forward like this
Yeah.
and do it,
Yeah.
this is the thing that makes it so cool. Because, there's not, the AC in these things are not great or not at all.
Well, this has an AC in the back.
You have air conditioning in the back?
Yeah.
Dan, you've been holding out on me. Look at this. Wow. Okay. So
Works very well.
Do you do camping and stuff? Do you go
No,
out? It's all
no.
for show.
It's a
Yeah.
It's a toy.
Yeah. With this indoor outdoor carpeting,
Yeah.
and the ferns. You have a whole set dressing.
Absolutely.
You have a whole
Yeah.
it's a thing. It's a glamper. It's gorgeous glamping. Porsche. These are sons. Delicious. This color is unreal. Did you restore this car from how did you get the car? I'm too excited.
I bought the car from a guy about 8 years ago.
8 years ago.
And the color is called Indian Red.
Indian red.
Indian
okay.
red, yes.
It's gorgeous. It's like this rusty kind of orange burnt, really, really great.
It's a 1 year color.
1 year color. Oh, this is a factory color.
It is.
Wow.
Yep, the factory Volkswagen color.
What year is your car?
It's a 1960.
60. And so when you bought it, it was in this shape and condition?
No, not exactly this shape. It wasn't lowered. It was more stock
Okay.
height. I've redone the interior, put all new chrome on the outside,
It looks
different
so
wheels and
good.
tires,
Yeah.
new bumpers.
Wow.
The paint's the same as when I got it.
Sure. You just dialed it in a little bit.
Yeah,
gave
just
it a
dialed
ride
it
height.
in
Yeah.
a little bit. Yep,
Awesome.
Exactly.
Do you do a lot of these shows?
I do probably 4 or 5 shows a year.
Nice. I don't see this a lot. The hood.
There's a company that sells those. Same with the footrest inside.
Okay.
They make those.
So cool. Really, really
Very
cool. And the 3-fold rack top.
Twofold.
Twofold, sorry.
Twofold. Yeah, no, that's all right. That's all right. Like the older ones, like
Oh.
the one over there has 3.
Okay, yeah.
Two. Yep.
Right,
Mhm.
it's
Yep.
gorgeous.
Yeah.
Really, really nice. Can I open the door?
Sure. Go ahead. Yep.
Oops.
Just push
Like that.
Yeah, there you go.
Wow. And so you were saying that the other thing that guys makes is something else in here.
Yeah, that footrest on the side.
Oh, okay.
One. Yep. Yep.
Yeah. There you go. It's so clean, man.
Thank you.
It's really gorgeous. You keep it in really nice shape.
Thank you.
And you got rear pop outs?
Mm-hmm.
Come on. That makes the airflow all right.
It does. Yeah, it helps
it's-
when you got that open. It pulls it through. So.
Because it can get a little warm up in,
Yeah. Oh yeah.
in
Yeah,
Georgia and
yeah,
wherever we
yeah.
are. Tennessee? We're Tennessee now? Yeah.
Yeah, I live outside Atlanta.
Okay, so so do we.
Oh,
Yeah, we live in
okay.
Decatur.
Okay. All right.
Yeah.
I live out toward Marietta, Dallas.
We
area,
come all the way up here to see each other because
Okay,
apparently
yeah,
that's
yeah,
how far I have
yeah.
to travel to see
This is
these.
a good show. This is one of the bigger shows
Yeah,
in this area. It's really a good show.
it's gorgeous. Is the bus yours also, or?
No, it's that gentleman's right there. He
Oh,
and I are
okay.
friends.
Oh, you guys are friends.
We are, yes.
With friends like that, you know, you
that's
be
right.
careful. Let's
Big float.
wow, that's a gorgeous bus too.
Very nice. Yep.
Well, thanks, man. Thanks for telling me about your
No,
car.
yeah, no
It's
problem.
a pleasure. Yeah, really, really
nice
great.
meeting you.
He said okay. I think it's sold now. That's right. Just it's the price that matters, right? Wow. Jimbo's got the bus and then some. Look at this. Man, even down to like the little details. Jimbo went to town. Jimbo has no wife, no kids because they kicked him out. They're not here at the show.
5 Volkswagen.
5. Wow. But look at I mean, this car is unbelievable. Look at this bus. It's gorgeous. Right, yeah, I want to be Jimbo when I grow up. I want to be like Jimbo when I grow up. All right, that's a wrap for this one, guys. Enjoy the show, enjoy the day, all these bugs all the time, and we'll see you guys on the next one.